You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x equal or smaller than 13 over 3 equal or smaller than 41 over 3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Combine like terms. Group all x terms on the left side of the inequality. Subtract x from both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Subtract 5 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -3. Whenever you multiply or divide by a negative, reverse the inequality sign. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Cancel out the negatives. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x equal or smaller than 13 over 3 equal or smaller than 41 over 3.